Hello guys, welcome. So this is another beautiful software online streaming with Jitsi API or Jitsi online streaming. So the software is built with PHP. Okay, so now I want to demonstrate the function of a software. So this is the home page, and these are the banners coming from the administrator. Okay, so let's log into the admin portal and create meeting. So I'm going to click on login and let's click on sign in. Okay, so this is validating the login details. Okay, all right, beautiful. So now we have successfully logged into the admin portal. Okay, you can actually set lots of things here. Okay, so you can set the system name, system title, description, and all of that. Okay, you can go to language, translate to your desired, languages or phrases. Okay, so we can also go to website settings to set the cookies, you know, information. Note, you can write information about the software, you can write the privacy policy, and of course, you can log in the logo, the white logo, the favicon, and all that. Okay, so you can also manage users. Okay, you can register new users and also send email to that user's email address. Okay, so this is banner. Okay, so you can upload as many banner as possible. Okay, so you can go to email settings to set the email. All right, the pop, the SMTP email, SMTP password, and all that. So this is where we are going. We want to create new meeting. Okay, so now I am going to say meeting with the clients. All right, so I'm going to copy that. Let's paste it to the description page. All right, so I am going to select next date, and of course, we can pick the time of the meeting. All right, beautiful. So now I am going to click on save, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is, validating it. Okay, now we have the meeting created, slated for this time and for today's date. So if I click on start meeting, so let's see what happens. Okay, so it's going to take us to the, you know, meeting portal where we are going to, have the meeting with our client. But before that, I want us to copy something. All right. So if you want to send the link to the user, so I'm going to click on copy meeting link. That I'm going to click on copy. All right. Successfully copied. All right. So this is the admin portal. So if you click on start meeting, the way it is going to display for the administrator, it is different from the way it is going to display, to the users or your client. Okay, so I am going to open another tab, then paste the link that we earlier copied here. All right, so I'm going to paste it on the browser. So if the users follow the link, all right, so this is what is going to actually display to the users. Okay, it's going to display the meeting details, the meeting information. Okay, so where the user is going to click on join meeting. Now there is a condition here. All right, this is today's date. So let's say the meeting was held yesterday. Okay, I'm going to click on save now. So assuming the meeting was held yesterday, have you seen it? This is expired meeting. So if the users try to access the meeting, this is what is going to tell the user that meeting has been expired and there is no button to join the meeting. Okay, so let now say that we want to have the meeting tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to click on save now. let's see what happens. Okay, so have you seen it? Meeting not started because the meeting has been slated to occur tomorrow. So if users also try to access the meeting link, this is what it is going to tell the users. Cool, right? So let's edit the meeting to today's date. Okay, I'm going to click on today's date. I'm going to click on save. Beautiful. So now, because the meeting is today, the admin can actually start the meeting, and the users also can also have access to the meeting information and click on join meeting. So I want to join from the user's end. So if I click on join meeting, all right, so this is redirecting to the meeting page. All right, so it is telling the users to wait for some seconds. All right, so now this is the meeting portal. Okay, so now the first thing is you need to enable your camera. Okay, so I am going to enable the camera now. Okay, so I actually blocked it because I don't. Okay, no problem. Let me open it. Just me. Okay, so now, and I'm going to block it back. Okay, so now I can now click on join meeting. Okay, from the user's end. Okay, so this is the admin. All right, so from the admin portal, you can also start the meeting. So this is a simple, web application, with the use of a Jitsi API. All right. So Jitsi is free for you to use, unlike Zoom, whereby you have to pay for some certain plans. Jitsi is totally free. So if you are interested in the software, you click on the link below, and we can now discuss. I'm going to tell you how to get the complete source codes and the database. So thank you. Bye.